Hi there, this is Save with Crypto. Okay, so what I was going to do was something I mentioned that I was going to do in a subsequent video, which is just show you how to move eGold from Crypto.com to the Maiar app. So in the past, I've had eGold staked on the earn feature on Crypto.com, and I can't remember what percentage I was getting, but I'm sure it was quite decent. It was like, it was 8% or something like that. And at the moment, even being a rose gold card holder, I would only get 5%, but I only get that up to the first $3,000 worth. And then after that, it drops to 2.5%. Then when you get to $30,000, it drops down to 0.75%. So it's just not as attractive as it used to be. And to get that, you have to lock it up for 3 months. So I think it's better to move it to Maiar, the app, not the DEX, and just stake it there. Now, you don't have to get involved with farming or any of the stuff that you see me do on my channel. This is literally just putting it into the Maiar app and then staking it, and you get the rewards continuously. So as soon as you've got like one eGold, you can then reinvest it if you want, or you can withdraw it and do whatever you like with it. And then if you want to unstake, I think the unstaking period is about 10 days, so it's not 3 months. And to me, that's where I prefer to have the majority of my eGold. So I just want to show you how to move it over there. But first of all, I'm just going to show you this feature here. This is actually the Crypto.com exchange. I mean, if you've got eGold on the Crypto.com app, you can easily move it over to the exchange. And the exchange you get to by going to Crypto.com/exchange. And it's the same login as you use for the app on your phone. And you get this exchange you can use. It's okay. I mean, it's not brilliant, but it's okay. If I wanted to move that back to the app, I could do that here. I could just go withdraw and then move it back to the Crypto.com app here. But I will be moving it to an external wallet, which will be the Maiar app. But first of all, I'm just going to show you this crypto dust feature. I'm not sure how long this has been here, but you can basically look at all the dust you've got. This is all like little bits you've got left over from odd little transactions. And I'm just going to turn all that into CRO. It's not going to be a lot. It's going to be 0.77. So I'm just going to convert that. Okay, so I've got a little bit more CRO now, not a lot. I have actually got 214 CRO that I could actually trade into something else. Actually, tell you what, let's just quickly just do a little bit of trading just to sort of show you how I can turn, say, CRO into eGold. Now, the thing is, you can't do that straight away on this platform because there isn't a CRO eGold pair. So I need to go from CRO to something like USDT and then USDT to eGold. So that's what I'll do. So to do that, I'll just go to trade USDT, and then you see what I'm doing here is I'm going to sell the sell the CRO that I've got. So I can do that by just going to sell. The quantity is going to be that, all of it, which is worth about $35. It's not amazing, and obviously I want to get the best price possible for this, so I'm going to use a limit order. If you wanted to do it straight away, I could do it with a market order, but let's do it with the limit order at let's say pretty much where it is now, 0.166. So that's the price I want to sell it for. Okay, so I'm going to go sell CRO. Okay, so the order's submitted and you see it down here. So I'll just wait for that to just pop up there again, and that will sell the CRO. Might just pause the video while it's doing that. Okay, it looks like it's just sort of nudging my price now, so it's on 1660. I mean, the way exchanges work, as you can see here, the red ones here are the people that are selling. So that's probably me there. And these are the people who are buying. So obviously people want to buy it at sort of 16,599, but that just popped over there, so I think it's probably sold. No, not quite. Oh, there you go. That's just sold then. If I go to the balances now, I can see here I will have USDT worth $35. Okay, and then my CRO available is 0.000. That's like nothing, By the way, I've got 5,000 CRO staked there, which gets me cheaper fees on the exchange, and also you get 10% interest on the CRO that's staked in there. I think you have to stake it for 6 months though. But I used to have 50,000 staked in there, but in fact I think I had 100,000 at one point. But I just decided not to keep too much money in CRO, and I'm quite pleased really because it came down quite a lot in value since then. Mind you, everything has, hasn't it? Anyway, so USDT. So I want to trade that with eGold. So if I go up here and look for eGold, I can select eGold USDT. So that's what I've got there. Okay. Unfortunately, the price of eGold is going up a little bit actually. So that's a bit annoying. Oh, okay. It's going up and down quite a lot. So let's try and get it at 57.08 maybe. So let's say buy eGold at 57.08. Okay, I'm going to buy all of it, and that will get me 0.62 eGold, which is not bad. Okay, so once again, I'm going to just do buy eGold. Okay, so the order's submitted. You see the order down there, and then again, what I'll do, I'll pause the video, and hopefully that will pop down there, and then we can see it sell again. In fact, I actually missed the action there because it just happened all of a sudden. But you can see that in the history. You can see it here. So the price we got it for was 57.08. Unbelievable. You can buy eGold now for $57. But I'm sure it's going to be worth a lot more in the future. In fact, I'm very confident about that. Okay, so I've got to balances now. I should just see that I have the CRO that I've got staked. Okay, and then I've got the eGold here. Okay, so to withdraw that, I just go to withdraw external address. Now, I've actually already got my Elrond Maiar address in there, but if you haven't got it in there already, you go to eGold, and the network you want to select is eGold, and then you get that address from the Maiar app. If you go to the Maiar app and then you click, I think it's receive, what you'll see there is the QR code, but also then the ERD1, whatever, the big long string address. And that's where you just put your address in there, and then you can give it whatever label you like. I mean, mine just says like Maiar App eGold or something like that. And then you enter the SMS one-time password. So you click that, sends it to your phone. You get that, and also you need the 6-digit 2FA from the Google Authenticator as well, all standard stuff, and that's how you add your address. It'd be nice if I could show you, but I've already done it, so I don't need to really. But yeah, so I'm just going to go withdraw external wallet address, and then I can now select that from here. And you see it's an ERD1, and then I'm going to go withdraw all that amount, so it's 11.24 eGold. Review withdrawal. Okay, it looks good. Yeah, the fees on Crypto.com are always a little bit higher than I'd like them to be. But anyway, let's click that to send the SMS. Okay, there it goes. And then the 2FA, also from Google Authenticator. So that's that gone. So, okay, so I'll move over to the Maiar app and I'll show you how to stake your eGold. Okay, so if I go to the Maiar app and then log in there, you can see here that if I go to earn, you can see here what I've got staked already. So I've got like 190 staked with Castle Stake. Castle Stake is what they call a staking provider, and you can choose your own staking providers, and they've all got slightly different APRs and everything. You know, so Castle Stake's got 11.32 APR, it's not too bad. Galaxy Staking 12.44, and Rosetta Stake. Rosetta Stake is always full these days, so it's a bit of a shame really, because that was 13.92 APR. And you know, when you've got your stuff staked in here, you can claim it. So you know, for example, if I wanted to claim my Rosetta Stake, I could just go claim, and you can see the network fee there is 1 cent, and I can claim that just by doing that. And then same as if I wanted to claim the Castle Stake one, I can just go claim there. And if you don't want to claim it and then put it into a different staking provider or use it for something, you can just can just go stake rewards here. So you just go stake rewards, and that will restake it into that actual staking provider. So that way you can compound your gains. So you can see there that's staked the rewards to Castle Stake, and it's also claimed the rewards from Rosetta Stake. So if we go to the actual wallet now, so go to wallet, and then you can see eGold here. The amount available I've got there is 12.1083, so that's what I've just sent over here. And also you can see that I've got claimed rewards from Rosetta Stake as well. So yeah, so I can just choose a staking provider now. So to do that, all I do is I go to earn, and then I go stake, and then what I do is I look for active providers. Then I usually sort them by highest APR, then see who's available. Now I tend to choose the ones that don't have an infinite amount of eGold available, because what seems to happen with those ones is the APR seems to vary quite wildly. But this one here, RAF staking, I think I've used that before, so I think I'm going to go for this one here. So just go RAF staking, continue. But you can stake however much you want really, but I'm probably going to stake the maximum there, I think. So let's go for that, 12.41. Okay, so go confirm, stake. And that's it. So that is now earning 12.42% APR. And I believe you can claim that whenever you like. So, you know, if tomorrow morning it's made a little bit and I wanted to withdraw that and then do something with it, I can. Now, to me, this is when it's going to be really cool, when you've got things like the Maiar Visa card, and you know, you'll be able to just have your eGold on your Maiar app earning away, and then you can just, you know, use your Visa card in shops and stuff, and then just sort of spend your free money that you've got. And I think that's going to be really good. And I think when they get the Visa card, I think that's going to be like a main catalyst for increasing the price of eGold, and dare I say MEX as well. I know a lot of people think MEX is going to zero. I don't, but yeah, I think that's when it's going to go mad, and that will be hopefully sometime later this year. I think the Visa cards are planned for Q4 this year, so that's definitely something to look forward to. Now, of course, what the brilliant thing is once you've got eGold on the Maiar app, you can then go over to maiar.exchange, go to connect here, click Maiar app, log in there with your Maiar app, and then if you go to meta bonding, what you'll see here is that your staked eGold that you got on your app will be reflected here. I obviously had a lot more in there beforehand, but I think that was at 298 yesterday, so obviously 310 is because of the additional eGold that I've staked. Now what this does, this gets you small amounts of all of these projects here. So you get this BH Network, Aerovec, ZoidPay, Effort and Isengard, and you get that every Thursday. So every Thursday you can do your meta bonding claim, which you do with this green button here, and you know, you'll get a bit of free extra tokens of various projects on top of your percentage that you've got already. So to me, this is you know, a no-brainer really, and that's what I do with the majority of my eGold. I mean, you could probably earn more by doing the farming, but obviously what you're looking at there is creating LKMEX, which seems to be a bit controversial at the moment because some people think it's worthless, and as I say, I don't. And this is going to be my retirement plan, I hope. And yeah, it all seems a bit down at the moment, but there again, everything does. But, you know, let's keep it positive. Let's look to the future. If you haven't got the Maiar app, if you use my affiliate link, which is savewithcrypto.org/Maiar, I can't remember what exactly you get now, but I think if you buy through the app for more than $25 worth, I think you get $25 for free or something like that. And then I think I get a kickback for that as well. I can't remember. Not many people do it, to be honest. But anyway, it's there if you want it. If you don't use the link, you don't get anything, which is a bit boring and a bit dull and doesn't benefit anyone. So, yeah, use the link. And do enjoy your staking, do enjoy your rewards, and let's get a load of eGold together. And I think in the future you're going to be very happy that you did. That's going to create a few comments. So if you've got something to say, please leave it in the comments. If you haven't got anything to say, give the video a like anyway. Make sure you're subscribed and tick the notification bell, put it on all, and above all, tell your friends.